sa gabi ng parangal ng 50th Metro Manila Film Festival.
And before anything else, we got 10 beautiful, remarkable movies para sa ating MMFF 50 at napakahirap po talaga na bigyan ng parangal ang bawat isa sa ating kategorya. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, why don't we give a big round of applause to our MMFF 50 Board of Jurors. Napakahusay. Thank you so much for making this possible, you guys. Alright, I think everyone's ready.
Nako, Robbie, alam mo, halos i-review na natin lahat ng awards tonight. Pero ito na talaga ang pinaka-inaabangan nating lahat. Ang Best Picture winner.
Oh my gosh, are you guys ready? Let's do this! Kung dati nagsisimula tayo sa third Best Picture, ngayong taon ay magsisimula tayo sa fourth Best Picture winner only for this year, for our golden edition of MMFF. Special year to.
Wow naman.
Ganun kasi kaganda yung mga MMFF 50 entries nating lahat. And with that, we would love to present give our presenters right now, ladies and gentlemen, to present our fourth Best Picture we got, Direk Loris Guillen.
For 50 years, sinalamin ng mga pelikulang kalahok sa MMFF ang makulay na kwento ng nating mga Pilipino. Mga kwento at pelikula ang nagmarka at ngayon bahagi na ng ating kultura at kasaysayan. At hangad natin na magpatuloy pa ang ganito kalaking selebrasyon para sa pelikulang Pilipino. Congratulations po sa 10 entries ng MMFF 50. Simulan na natin ang pag-announce ng Best Picture winners. The MMFF 54th Best Picture goes to Isang Himala.
To present the award is Senator Bong Go and Senator Francis Tolentino.
Kinakabahan ako and I just want to get everything out. Thank you so much sa MMFF and the jury to be part of the 50th is such a big honor for all of us. Maraming salamat Sir Ricky Lee, our national artist, for your guidance and your generosity. Vince De Jesus for the wonderful music. To my very brave producers, probably some of the bravest producers I know. UXS Stories, Creation Studio, CMB Film Services, Madonna Terrario, my co-producer, Mr. Rex TV, RJ Agustin, Real Florito, Mr. Tony Gloria, and Mr. Jim Balazar. To my collaborators from cinematography, Carlo, production design, Erickson, everybody from post, sound, VFX, everybody for doing this in 5 months. What an amazing job. Of course, my wonderful cast. Aisel, between Kaki, Naomi, David, Vic, and the entire ensemble of some of the best performers of Philippine stage now finding a spotlight in Philippine cinema. Please give them a round of applause. At, of course, to my partner, Royd, thank you so much. And my family, and of course, everybody's partners and families here. I just want to say thank you for allowing us to do this. But please, before I go, please, just a little bit more. Sa mga exhibitors po and mga sinehan, maglalambing po sana kami ng more screens po for all of the films and for Sang Himala especially. Let's celebrate Filipino, ang galing at talento ng mga Pilipino. And sa mga manonood po, please, we hope you give a chance to a beautiful musical written by Sir Ricky Lee, music by Vince Jesus. Isa pong pelikula na sumasalamin sa ating bansa. Isang pelikula, isang musical na wawasak sa atin at magbubuo sa atin muli. So maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Please give us a chance this weekend and watch the film Isang Himala po. And thank you so much to the MMFF for this wonderful honor. Thank you.
Congratulations to our fourth Best Picture winner, Isang Himala.
Hey, guys, maraming salamat, pahabol lang. A while ago, I was just having a meeting with the Exicom and the cinema exhibitors, and I was actually requesting to have more cinemas because as we speak, we only have 9 cinemas, which is really heartbreaking. And humingi po kami sa inyo ng pagkakataon na sana madagdagan yung aming sinihan dahil napakarami pong tao ang nagre-request na mapanood ng Isang Himala. A lot of people have been asking us, Croatian Studios, why did we invest or gamble into this film despite the fact that we don't have stars? The only answer is, why not? These people behind me, they're all stars. Thank you so much to the ensemble cast, the actors, the producers behind this, of course, our director. Maraming salamat sa talento. And naniniwala kami na yung mga taga-teatro, mahuhusay na artista at meron din silang karapatan na mabigyan ng isang platform para mas marami pang tao ang makakita ko ano ang meron sila. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at sana po pagbigyan nyo yung request namin na magkaroon kami ng mga marami pa o madagdagan na aming sinihan. Maraming salamat po. Merry Christmas!
Congratulations!
Yes, congratulations.
I think
Isang
with that
Himala.
speech, magkakaroon talaga ng himala. More cinemas for
I
all
agree.
movies.
And I also want
Jinggoy, ihensya by Strada.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay po ang pelikulang Pilipino. Masaya po tayo dahil ako po ay naging bahagi ng Golden Anniversary ng Metro Manila Film Festival. At ang nawagi sa Second Best Picture ay ang pelikulang The Kingdom, APT Entertainment, MZ Productions.
To present the award, we have Senator Bongo and Senator Francis Tolentino.
Ngayon ba ako kataba? Tama ba? Taba ba ako dyan?
Malaki ng combo.
Tonight, I just like to take this opportunity to express my extreme gratitude. Ako po si Jane Basas. I head MQuest Ventures. And I'd like to thank my co-producers, si Direct Mike Togera from APT, si Vic Soto po, si Mr. Vic Soto from MZ, and of course, ang boss ko, ang chairman ng MQuest, si Manuel V. Pangilinan, for believing in the film from the very beginning, sa paghanap po ng pondo
Pala yung
kaya
ano
sa
yan?
pelikula. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Direct Mike kasi noong February po, nilapitan niya ako at kwento niya sa akin yung pangarap niya sa isang pelikula na ang titulo at that time was Baluarte. In 5 minutes, I said, let's go, let's make this happen. Maraming salamat, Direct Mike, para sa tiwala sa isang unknown company like MQuest Ventures. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Papa P at saka kay Vic Soto kasi ang usapan namin ni Direct Mike, pag hindi pumayag si Bossing, pag hindi bumayag si Papa P, pumayag si Papa P, hindi namin gagawin. Thank you very much for loving the film, to the cast, the crew, the creative people, production people. Maraming salamat po. This will embolden us to make better, bolder, bigger films in the future. Maraming salamat po.
May dadagdag lang po ako kasi tinanong ko si Bossing kung anong, because sabi ko, Bossing, kung medyo swertihin tayo, meron ka bang gustong ipasabi? Ako nang bahala para sa'yo. Ang sinabi lang naman niya, of course, you guys know Bossing is a man of few words. Ang sinabi lang niya, maraming salamat sa bansa ng Pilipinas sa pagsuporta sa bansa ng kalayaan. Yun yung sinabi niya. So, we dedicate this to him. Unfortunately, he couldn't be here. He's with his family. Pero maraming salamat, Bossing. Mabuhay ang Lakan, mabuhay ang The Kingdom. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations to our 4th Best Picture winner, Isang Himala, our 3rd Best Picture winner, My Future You, and 2nd Best Picture winner, The Kingdom.
Pero Tim, ang tanong, anong pelikula kaya ang tatanghaling Best Picture para sa 50th Metro Manila Film Festival? Everyone here, gusto niyo ba bang malaman?
Kinakabahan na ako.
Kinakabahan din ako, pero wait, we have to hold it. Dahil malalaman natin sa pagbabalik ng
MMFF 50 Gabi
ng Parangal!
You are back with us here on MMFF 50 Gabi ng Parangal. You know, guys, this year's film festival is really something special.
I agree, Robbie. Kasi alam mo, lahat ng 10 entries deserving manalo. We all witnessed the talent and heart that they've put into their work for the golden edition of the Metro Manila Film Festival.
And now the time has come to announce our big winner, who will take home the Best Picture Award. This category is brought to you by Playtime.
And to present the nominees for the Best Picture Award, please welcome film critic, creative writer, academic, and the chairman of the Board of Jurors of MMFF, Mr. Nicanor Tiongson.
Films are a powerful piece of art that moves people and touches the heart. Sa makasaysayang 50th edition ng MMFF, ngayong taon, alin kaya ang pelikulang tumatak at pumukaw sa puso at isip ng manonood? The MMFF 50th Best Picture Award goes to ang una at pinakamahusay na pelikula ay Green Bones, GMA Pictures.
To present the award, we have Senator Jinggoy Estrada, Senator Bongo, and Senator Francis Tolentino. And to present a check from Playtime is Miss Sofia Pilapin.
We'd like to thank the MMFF, the 50th year MMFF, Chairman Artes, the MMFF Execom, all the jurors for this Best Picture Award. I also want to share this award to all the to the other 9 films in this Metro Manila Film Fest, because to make a film, it takes blood, sweat, and tears and resources. And talagang we really risk it all because we want to tell a story. And I hope that people listen to all these wonderful
outstanding
Ano ang ulo
stories
natin?
of these movies in this year's Metro Manila Film